Trushine cleaning. Let's get it clean the right way. Dirty carpets in your home, yeah, we handle that. Upholstery looking tired, we bring it back. Tile and grout, yeah, we make it shine. Professional service every single time.
What's up, Facebook, YouTube? This is Michael on the Trushine cleaning. This job right here. The carpet is in great condition. 4 rooms upstairs. Working my way down the steps. Just finished up this room. So I wasn't successful getting these out. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's spot there. The customer told me that it's the like the toilet bowl cleaner. And that's like an acid type of dye. And once it gets in that carpet, it's not coming out unless you dye the carpet. So, can't get that out. But everything else turned out good. Get it, your hand.